Good morning, students. I am Neema Dabi, your science teacher. Hope you all are fit and fine at home and enjoying your studies. So, students, this is a challenging period going on in our country. I would request to you all, please stay at home, don't go out, and please take care of yourself. Okay, students? So, today we will start the new chapter. Before that, let's see what is the thought of the day. Alright, let's see. So, today's thought is celebrate every win, no matter how small. It means that whether your win is small or big, you should celebrate your every win. Don't consider it as a small or big. Just celebrate and enjoy your win. Okay, students? Students, look at this picture. Imagine the world without plants. Can you imagine that? What would you eat if there will be no plants? The fruits, the vegetables, the grains, the rice. Where will it come from if there will be no plants? What about meat and eggs? I know these are come from animal, but what do animal eat to live? If goats, hens did not eat grass, grains, what would they eat? So, what do you think? What will happen if there were no plants? Can you imagine the world without plants? No, we cannot imagine the world without plants, right? So, our next chapter is chapter number 6, How Plants Make Food, part 1. In this chapter, we will learn how plants make their food, what ingredients are required so that plants make their food. Let's start our chapter. Students, have you ever seen garden plants around you? Look, garden or plants. Most of the plants that you see are green in color. They look green because of their green leaves. Why garden look green? Just because of their leaves are green. So, what do you think make the leaves green? Let's study why are leaves green. Now let's see why are leaves green. Why the color of leaves are green. Let's see. Leaves have a green substance called chlorophyll. Leaves have a green substance called chlorophyll that gives them the green color. Chlorophyll is the green substance in plants that takes in light from the sun to help them grow. Alright? Chlorophyll allow plants to make food so they can grow using water, air and light from sun. Without this, there would be no plants or people on the earth, right? So we had learned leaves have a green substance called chlorophyll that give them the green color. Students, as we had studied that chlorophyll is necessary for plants to make food. But did you know that there are some non-green living things there, such as mushrooms? They cannot make their own food because chlorophyll is necessary for plants to make food. Now students, we will study how do plants make their food. Let's see how plants make their food. Now, before that, look at this picture. A mama and a daughter making food. Now, in this picture, for making food, they are using some ingredients. Right. For making food, when we used to make food in home, we need some of ingredients like vegetables, like spices and pulses, grains, everything, right? We need ingredients. Just like the ingredients they are using here. Like that, plants also need ingredients to make their food. Let's see what are the ingredients plants required to make their food. Students, look at this picture. This is a happy plant. The ingredients required by plants to make their food are sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. Look at this picture. Sunlight is there, water, carbon dioxide. Plants need these ingredients to make their food. Now we will see how these ingredients help the plant to make their food. So, the process by which plants makes food is known as photosynthesis. The process by which plants make their food is called photosynthesis. Here, photo means light and synthesis means putting together. So, photosynthesis, student, is very important. Photosynthesis is the process in which green plants use sunlight to make their food. Photosynthesis is necessary for life on earth. Without it, there would be no green plants. And without green plants, there would be no animals, right? Because animals need green plants to survive. Just not because of the food, but also because of oxygen. Because plants inhale carbon dioxide and exhale oxygen. And we humans inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide, right? Photosynthesis requires sunlight, chlorophyll, water and carbon dioxide. Chlorophyll is substance in all green plants we had studied, right? Especially in the leaves plant, take in water from soil and carbon dioxide from air, right? And photosynthesis start when chlorophyll absorb energy from sunlight. Photosynthesis is necessary because almost all living things depend on plant for their food. And of course, photosynthesis is also important because it produces human and another animal need to breathe oxygen to survive. Alright student, hope you all are getting what is photosynthesis and how plants make their food with the help of photosynthesis. Students, here we had completed part 1. In the part 2, we will study how plants make their food by water, carbon dioxide and sunlight. After that, we will study how plants and animals depend on each other. Okay, fine. So, here we had completed part 1 and I will see you in part 2. Till then, stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself, don't go out and enjoy your studies. Okay, bye bye, take care.